If you have access to vanilla beans, I would definitely recommend using them for a recipe like this where we just want a burst of vanilla flavor. So if you've never split a vanilla bean, it's really easy. Just hold it at one end, sharp little knife, and then start at the top and just try to split it right down the center. And if your knife goes off and you don't get it down the whole bean, which happens to me all the time, don't worry. So now you've got two halves, and this whole inside is just amazing. It's filled with all of these little microscopic vanilla seeds, which are just amazing and full of flavor. So what you want to do is just take the back of your knife, not the sharp side, but the back, and kind of flatten out where you've cut the vanilla bean open and just scrape. And so now that's all vanilla bean seeds and just gonna add so much flavor to your creme brulee. Don't forget the other side because there's still a bunch of seeds in there. It's kind of all over the place, but just try to get it flattened down there. And again, just scrape. Make sure all that gets into your pot. We're also going to put the rest of the bean right into our creme brulee because even more flavor is going to come out of it as this steeps and gets hotter.